today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from a To power button on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the accessibility features. Now just tap here to the motion control, and the first section is the Google Assistant, and just to link the Google Assistant from power button, just tap here once on the switcher, and now when we will just hold for a while our power key button, we can enable the Google Assistant. So as can you see, that's really simple, and if you want to just turn it off, just tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So as can you see, that's really simple, and thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.